If you want to stop recurring charges on your Capital One account, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open a mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, find the section that lists your transactions. This may be labeled as Transactions Activity or something similar depending on the platform. Step 3. Identify recurring charges. Scroll through your transactions to locate any recurring charges. Look for subscriptions or payments that occur regularly, such as monthly or yearly fees. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor your account. After cancelling the subscription, keep an eye on your Capital One account for the next billing cycle. Ensure that the recurring charge does not appear again and confirm that you have successfully stopped it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Capital One account.